Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? This latest AI tool revolutionizes content creation by doing all the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to hours of editing and hello to effortless success. Let's dive into how it works. In this video, we will go through different OTOs, the one-time offers for the new Emerald app launch. We are at the sales page. First, we will cover Emerald's front-end offer and then the one-time offers. If you want to check out Emerald at any point, click the link in the description. The description also includes all the details of OTOs, upsells, and discounts. To get the discount, use Emerald 3 for $3 off. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. So what is Emerald? Emerald is an innovative AI-powered platform designed to automate the creation and management of YouTube channels. It enables users to effortlessly generate content, drive traffic, and monetize their channels without any expensive equipment or technical skills. Now, some amazing features of the Emerald app. Here are 30 cool features of the Emerald app. First is automated channels in 60 seconds. Built-in AI-powered video creator. 100+ templates to choose from. Intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Works with voice prompts or keywords. Hundreds of stock assets included for free. Newbie-friendly interface. App works on all popular devices. All major third-party integrations supported. And a lot more features that you can see on the screen. Now let's see the OTOs. One-time offers as well. Emerald front-end for $14.95. The first OTO is Emerald Unlimited Edition for $147. Second OTO is Done for You Setup for $297. Third OTO is Autopilot Edition for $39. Fourth OTO is 200 Done for You Campaigns Edition for $39. Lastly, the fifth OTO is Emerald Franchisee Edition for $197. I hope you understand how the Emerald app works now. If you want to take advantage of the one-time offers, check out the link I have provided in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for checking out my Emerald app review. And I'll see you in the next video. Fearless.